Have I done something to my hair? The Chadian women, Chadian, I don't know, have a different texture than me. Is this why? Is this a relaxer?
Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Oh, hi there. Hello and welcome back to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Welcome to the weirdness. So I'm back, I'm black, and it's time to do my hair. And I thought maybe I'd do a thing. And if the thing is cool to you and it's cool to me, I can continue to do the thing. So the thing is, I should try African stuff on my hair. So here we are. I think it's like super spooky that African hair care isn't more prevalent in the US. Like what? I mean, I know why, but like why philosophically? I keep sad laughing. I looked at the continent of Africa and I threw a dart at it and it landed in Chad. So here we are. So I just went on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Traditional Chadian Chebe powder, or Chebe, or Chadian. I speak English, anything goes. It's the Wild West of languages. So this was actually made in Chad. It's a little expensive, I noticed. I got 50 grams of the Chebe powder. What I understand is that these Chadian women use this braided hairstyle as a protective style, apply the Chebe powder on soaking wet hair and braid it up and reapply the mixture every 3-ish days. That's what I learned. So yes, I'm going to have this in my hair for a full week and reapply probably twice. Here's a list of all the hair benefits Chebe powder is known for. Creating softer hair, easier to detangle, better moisture retention, and consistent use may aid in hair growth. Wow! Time for a full out wash day, and I'll meet you back here when I'm about to apply this on my hair. And transition! Alright. Boy, oh boy, is that dark. I look at my light carpets. As I was in the shower, I tried to part my hair in the same fashion as this picture. That's generally what I've been seeing a lot online is there's a braid here, an upper braid and a lower braid. That's it. And I'm like, I like that simplicity. Not on your scalp. Just apply it to the length of your hair and braid that bad boy up.
Try to stay patient, but gotta face it.
Well, to be honest, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to keep them in these giant sections. There's a lot of tension on my head right now, but I got to take the thumbnail, so you're going to know that I did this for the thumbnail and because I wanted to try it. I think it's because my hair is much tighter than the Chadian women's photos that I have available. All of the ladies in the picture have much longer hair than me as well, so I will let you know this was extremely messy. This sweater is full of powder now. It looks finely milled, but the texture of the Chebe powder when it's actually emulsified with oils and things is very gritty. Do a patch test. I feel nothing. But that's what I said about Ayurveda, and I mean, here I am looking at my powders like, I love you. So, I'll see you over the next couple of days, and I'll pop in to reapply and let you know my thoughts. Okay, bye. Hello, no makeup, no cares given. Here is my one-day update. So I did end up splitting those 2 side braids into 2 suspiciously thick braids. I don't know why I've been making my hair thicker on purpose, but I'm suddenly surprised Pikachu face when it actually gets thicker. I still got my mega plait up here and my super mega plait. I don't even know if I'm in frame. And yeah, they were kind of hard to sleep on. I don't like having such big plaits on my head. It got all under my nails, and I finally got it out after very concerted efforts scrubbing under my nails. What else? I just don't think they're practical. They're very difficult to style because they're so big and chunky and short, so it doesn't quite look like a style on me. I feel like if my hair were a bit longer or perhaps blown out, because my hair is down here now. I have 4C hair, so shrinkage. So maybe if I were to blow it out and then apply lots of water in the mixture itself, maybe I would have a little more hang time on the braid, I guess. Or maybe I can actually rock this as a style when my hair is way longer. Because, as the OGs know, my hair shrinks 80%. Ooh, it's been a long time since I've said that. I'd say here is the beginning of what I would consider a good style for me, a look I can rock. It would need to be 80% longer than this. So hopefully Chebe Powder can get it to mid-thigh by the end of the week, and then there'll be no problems. Also, honestly, I need a trim. You see this drop off? That is absurd. So that's day 1. See you tomorrow. Hello, it's day 2, and I still have my big old braids or plaits or whatever they're called. It keeps getting under my nails very consistently, and it's annoying me. And the fact that I can't have my hair out, it bothers me. I want my hair out. It's been such nice weather, and I want to have like a completed, ensemble, but I'm limited to this. I'm doing it to see if there's any noticeable differences, but as like a citizen, I cannot see myself doing this on a regular basis, at least for this long. So there's that. Danielle out. What did I commit to a week? Well, this is my wash and go. It's 3 days old now. In any case, here's what happened with the Chebe powder. My shower hasn't recovered. I had to do a straight up Drano treatment on it twice. I don't know what I was thinking. But honestly, those first couple of seconds of trying to get my hair to respond to the water, it felt hard. Not like rock hard, but like stiff and not like my hair at all. It took quite a while for the water to actually penetrate and start removing the Chebe powder, which was scary, to be honest. after 40 days and 40 nights of, I said it real straight, didn't I? But eventually, after 40 days and 40 nights of trying to remove the powder, it did actually come out of my hair. And it took a little bit for my curl pattern to return. It was kind of in that stretched moment from the braids, and it just kind of stayed stretched for way longer than usual. Like, it took about 2 full minutes to see my hair actually start to be itself again. And I was going through it in the shower. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was like, have I done something to my hair? The Chadian women, Judean, I don't know, have a different texture than me. Is this why? Is this a relaxer? And then it came back, so. So I couldn't help but compare these granules to the granules of Shikakai. They're not rough and they're not huge, but the granules are very not powdery. It will exfoliate your eye if you're not careful. I did learn from last time. Rinse backwards, rinse away from the face. Don't even tilt forward until your neck is in actual pain from rinsing. Once you think it's all gone, rinse 2 more times, and then you can lean forward and do this. And then do this, and then check. It's not a joke. Your eyes, you only got 1 right eye and 1 left eye. Now, on to some of the good things that happened. The curl pattern was popping. Was it popping more than usual? Slightly, but that could have a lot to do with the amount of water I shoved into my strands. But I did notice that the coils, they tended to clump a little faster than usual, and my hair was distinctly softer. And I was like, isn't my hair becoming relaxed again? No, it was a good thing. You might be asking, Danielle, yes? Would you do it again? And the way I did it, no, never again, no. I think that in about a month, when I need some softness, want to just give my hair just a little boost, I'll be using this again like I use my Ayurveda. If you haven't seen my Ayurveda stuff, you gotta watch it. It's one of my best videos. It's very informative. It's pretty funny in my opinion. Everything I use that's natural is best used for 30 minutes, then wash it out, wash your hands, be done with it. Like my Brahmi powder and my Amla powder, I'll be using this sparingly as a booster for a couple minutes, and then I'm washing it out. But yes, I will be using this again. The softness was undeniable, and there was a certain amount of strength I felt in my strands. I don't think I needed to braid my hair and let it sit in it for a week in order for that to happen. I think that was total overkill for me to do it for an entire week. I will not be doing it again, and I do not recommend you to do that. If you're interested, or if you're interested in my tried and true Amla powder or Brahmi powder, I'll link everything below, because I think it's helpful. I upload content like this on hair on Saturdays at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I have live stream Tuesday talks with StarPuppy on Tuesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Thursdays are supposed to be the chaos corner, but actual chaos has entered my life, so we're gonna see when I actually upload something for the chaos corner. We'll all see. Subscribe! And I'll see you guys next time. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo, StarPuppy, signing out. Say it with me now, StarPuppy. Away!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.